Damn, dude. Holy fuck. Look at that shit, man. Damn, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Is it showing up on
Yeah, it is, yeah. This is insane. Look at that.
Damn, dude.
I've never seen anything like this. This is surreal.
You did, didn't you?
Yes. I took one lamb and I ran away as fast as I could.
Well, where you going, Clary?
I don't know. I didn't have any food, any water, and it was very cold. Very cold. I thought if I could save just one, but he was so heavy. It was so heavy.
Here they go again.
I didn't get more than a few miles. The sheriff's gonna pick me up. Reggie was so angry, he sent me a letter to leave here with me. I never saw Reggie again.
What became of your lamb, Clary?
This is not real. This can't be real. This is insane. I've never seen anything like that.
Wake up in the dark. Hear
Where?
the screaming of the lamb. Do you think if you saved poor Catherine,
Damn, look at that down there,
do you
dude.
think if Catherine lived,
Yeah.
you won't wake up in the dark ever again?
Wow, man.
That awful screaming of the lamb.
That's trippy as hell, dude.
Yeah, it is. Are they going away? No, they're landing up there again.
Tell me his name.
Dr. Chilton, I presume. I think you know
That's a lot of fucking birds.
She'll return after.
Yeah, it is. I've never seen anything like that.